is our national festival. Onam Sadhya is an important part of Onam festival. Today, I am going to prepare a traditional dish, Khichdi, which is usually served as a side dish for Onam Sadhya. Respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends, I am Shivaganga S. Kumar and I am studying in standard 8B. Today, here I am going to prepare Vellarikka or yellow cucumber Khichdi. The main ingredient for Vellarikka Khichdi, as the name shows, is yellow cucumber, 1 cup grated coconut, curd, salt, green chilli and mustard seeds. And for tempering, mustard seeds, curry leaves and dried red chilli. Firstly, peel off the cucumber, remove the seeds and cut it into small pieces. Clean it and add some salt and water and boil it for 5 minutes. By that time, we can prepare other ingredients. For that, take 1 cup grated coconut, half cup curd, 2-3 green chillies, grind it and make it a fine paste. Our cucumber start boiling and wait until the water absorbs. Now add the ground paste into the cucumber. Then mix it well. Now add 1/4 teaspoon crushed mustard and mix it well. Now add half teaspoon salt and mix it well. After adding curd and coconut, don't allow it to boil, otherwise it will curdle. Now we have to temper it. For that, take some coconut oil, put half teaspoon mustard seeds into the hot oil. When the mustard seeds splutter, add some dried red chillies and add some curry leaves. Put it into the prepared khichdi. Right after the tempering, cover it with a lid. After 5-10 minutes, open the lid and stir it well. Now our Vellarikka Khichdi is ready. It is tasty and easy to prepare. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ruben Matthew Jacob of class 8B. Onam is the official state festival of Kerala. According to a popular legend, the festival is celebrated to welcome King Mahabali, whose spirit is said to visit Kerala at the time of Onam. Onam Sadhya is a traditional multi-course vegetarian meal served on the festive occasion on a banana leaf featuring over 25 dishes. So today I am going to make Khichdi, a dish served in the Onam Sadhya. So let's start. First of all, we want 1 cup of beetroot, 1 cup grated coconut, 1 cup curd, half tablespoon cumin seeds, half tablespoon salt, 1 curry leaves, 2 dried red chilli, 2 green chilli. First take a pan and heat it on the stove. Then put some coconut oil. When the oil heat, add the grated beetroot, 1 cup of beetroot, and chop the green chilli, and add some salt. Let's cook them. Add 2-3 spoons of water. And cook them. Put the gas to low flame and close the pan. Now take the grated coconut and put it into the mixie. And take the cumin seeds and put it. and put a green chilli to it. Add some water to it. Grind it properly to make a thick paste. Now the thick paste is ready. Now the beetroot is cooked well and we have to crush it well. Next put the thick paste into this. And mix it well. Mix it well and cook it. Then turn off the stove. Then add the curd to it. And add some salt. And mix it well. Now take another pan and put some oil on it, coconut oil on it. After the oil heat, add half tablespoon of mustard. And put some curry leaves to it. And put 2 red chilli to it. Let's fry it. Put the fried items to it. And just mix it. Now the khichdi is ready. Now just serve it. Our khichdi is ready here, so let's taste it. It's so tasty, you should all try it at home. Thank you for watching.
Hi everyone, my name is Reshmi Tia, studying in 8B. First of all, I am wishing a very happy Onam to everyone. Today I am going to prepare khichdi. We need some ingredients. Come on. Small pieces of pineapple, 2 green chilies, turmeric powder, salt, grinded coconut with half teaspoon cumin and 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 2 tablespoons curd. First we want to put pineapple into the clay pot. Then add green chilies, half teaspoon turmeric powder, enough water, salt. Then cook it few minutes. Now it is cooked well. Then add the coconut paste. Mix well. Add some sugar also. Finally, add 2 tablespoons curd. At the same time, turn off the stove. Now our khichdi is ready. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello guys, my name is Aditi Deepak. I am studying in class 8. Today I am going to show how to make North Indian style type of khichdi. So let's start our recipe.
We are taking some chopped tomatoes, onions, garlic, ginger, green chilies and lemon. For masalas we are using mustard, cumin seeds, hing and kasturi methi and turmeric powder and chili powder and required salt and ghee and masoor dal, tur dal and moong dal and soaked rice and curry leaves and coriander leaves. We can add these all dals in the cooker. One by one we should add it. And last, rice. And we should add 4 glasses of water in it. One teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And close the lid. And we should give 1 whistle over the lid. Now we should off the gas. Now it's time to give tadka. It's time for tadka. So I have added 2 teaspoons of ghee and I have on the gas. We should wait until the ghee will melt. Now I have added 2 green chilies and red chilies, and I have added garlic and ginger and mustards and onion too. Now I added cumin seed and I am stirring it well. Now we should wait until the onion will become golden color. Now we should add cumin powder and turmeric powder and red chili powder. And tomatoes. And we should mix it well. And we should add some curry leaves. And we should add some salt. Open the lid of the cooker. And once again stir it well. And we should add 3 glasses of water once again. Now add some coriander leaves to the khichdi and mix it well. Now we should on the gas, mix it once again, and we should add this tadka to the khichdi. Now we should add the tadka. Now lemon juice. It will adjust the taste. Now we should add coriander leaves and dried kasturi methi. So I have served the khichdi. You can serve with yogurt or lemon. It's a combination of yogurt. So I am tasting. It's absolutely tasty because we have put lemon juice on it, because the lemon juice will adjust the taste of the salt, the taste. So thank you.
Hi everybody, my name is Anessa Anish. I am studying class 8B. Today I am going to prepare khichdi.
Ingredients for beetroot khichdi: some curry leaves, mustard, dried red chilies, cumin seeds, enough oil, some salt, grated beetroot, green chilies, grated coconut. Now we have put the grated beetroot into this tawa with half cup of water and a pinch of salt, and you have to cover it with the lid. You have to open the lid and salt it well. Beetroot is cooked. Now we have to switch off the flame. Now we have to put the grated coconut into the grinder cumin seeds, and 2 green chilies. Grinded ingredients are ready. Now we have to switch on the flame and add this mixture into the cooked beetroot. Sort it well. Now we have to pour some water and again sort it well. Now we have to add some curd to it and sort it well. Now we have to switch off the flame. Now we have to take another fry pan. Pour enough oil. Our fry pan get heated. Now we have to put some mustard into it. Put some red chilies into it. Some green leaves into it. Sort it well. Now we have to put this mixture into the cooked khichdi. Sort it well. Our khichdi is ready. Now we have to switch off the flame. Beetroot khichdi is ready to serve.
A very good morning to everyone. Myself Bodhi Harish and I am from class 8. As you all know, Onam is here. Onam represents love, joy, good hope and happiness. On this pandemic, let us not forget the values of Mahabali Tamil that we should be truthful, we should not indulge in bad practices and we should be kind to others. One of the main highlights of the Onam festival is the Onam Sadhya, which consists of Aviyal, Thoran, Pachidi, Khichdi and many other dishes and a dessert as spice. So today I am making a Pachidi. These are the ingredients for making beetroot pachadi. Shredded coconut, grated beetroot, chili, cumin seeds, curd, salt, water, turmeric powder, curry leaves, dried chili and mustard seeds. Let us keep the vessel on the gas stove. I'm adding the grated beetroot and 1 chili. Now let's switch on the gas. Now let's add some salt, some turmeric powder and some water. Mix it well and close it with a lid. In the meantime, let us grind the shredded coconut, 2 chilies and the cumin seeds. Occasionally stir the mixture. Now let's add the grounded coconut to the recipe. Now we'll get the delicious smell of the green seeds. Now let's add the curd. Mix them together. Don't cook it too much, so let the softly stop. Now for the exciting part. Let us try curry leaves, mustard seeds and dried chili in coconut oil. This is such a simple dish. Now it's tasting time. Yummy. So friends, try this at your home and enjoy. Happy Onam and thank you.
Hi, I am Dharma Jacob Varghese from class 8B. Today I am going to prepare a khichdi as the part of the Onam celebration. The ingredients are yellow cucumber, grated coconut, curry leaves, some dried red chilies, mustard seeds. This is crushed mustard seeds. This is salt. Then some green chilies. Then oil, coconut oil. Then curd. Firstly, we can add 1 cup of cucumber, then water. This must be sweet enough. Then salt as usual. Then we want to turn on the flame. You can close the lid. We want to cook cucumber for 5 minutes. During that time, we can grind grated coconut. This is 1/3 cup. Then 1/4 cup of curd. Then some green chilies. Then grind it. Cucumber. Then we can add the grinded paste. Then 1/4 cup of curd. Then the crushed mustard seeds. We can mix it. Then we can add a little bit more as salt. We can stir it well before it gets boiled. We moved the prepared thing. Then we have to garnish it. So we can garnish it. So for that, 1 coconut oil, 1.5 tablespoon of coconut oil, then some mustard seeds. Now we can add curry leaves and some then we can off the flame. Then suddenly pour it to the prepared mixture. Suddenly close the lid or it will not get the effect of garlic. After 10 minutes we can open it. We can mix it. Now the khichdi is ready. We are going to taste it. Wow, it's delicious. You can serve this item in Onam Sadhya. Happy Onam to all!
I'm Merin George from class 8A. Today I am here to tell a short recipe how to make pachadi, and my pachadi's name is Kasturi Methi Pachadi. So, all of us know that Kerala's favorite festival Onam is coming, and pachadi is the important dish in Onam Sadhya. So let's begin. I have taken some amount of curd, some coconut, green chili, ginger, sweet neem leaves, mustard seeds, salt, and we have to grind it in mixer grinder. After mixing it in mixer grinder, we have to mix it with curd. We have to mix like this. This is very important thing in our pachadi. This is fenugreek leaves, and this is fenugreek, and it is very important in our pachadi. Now we have to take some oil. Now we add some mustard seed to it. We have to take this much fenugreek leaves. We have mixed it in curd. Okay friends, our pachadi is ready, and now we will taste it. It's super. Thank you friends. And try it at home. It's a very easy method to prepare this pachadi. Thank you.
Very happy Onam to one and all. I am Punya Prabha studying in class 8B. Today I am going to make a special easy recipe, that is khichdi. So today I am going to make beetroot khichdi. So let me introduce the ingredients. So this I take 1.5 cup of beetroot, 2 chilies, 1 onion, 1/2 cup of grated coconut, 3 small onions, some cumin, a pinch of cumin seeds, 3 curry leaves, and some mustard seeds. So first of all, I'm going to grind this beetroot. So I pour all the beetroot in this jar. So now just grind it. So this is the actual state how we need this beetroot. I poured 1/2 cup of grated coconut, 3 small onions, some cumin seeds, some 3 petals of curry leaves, and 1 piece of ginger. So now let's grind it. So now I grind the coconut and all other ingredients in this state and add some mustard seeds into it. So now just grind this suddenly grind it and then take out. Because if the mustard seeds are grind into an over and over like a paste, it become bitter. Heat this tawa and add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. So now I am sauteing the chili and 1 onion in this coconut oil. So, add some salt. So it turns to some brown color, so it is sauteed well. So now I am adding the grinded beetroot. Now mix it well. So now we can add this coconut mixture into this tawa. Now mix it well. So we can off the flame. When the beetroot comes to this stage, we can off the flame. I pour the mix from the tawa to this bowl. So let it rest for some time. So now I am adding some curd. Mix it. Some more. And the full cup. So mix it well. Now I am adding this hand of mustard and dry chili. And some 3 petals of curry leaf. So our dressing for the khichdi is ready. Now let's pour this dressing into the khichdi. Khichdi is ready and we add our dressing into it, and I'm adding some curry leaves to decorate. So our delicious khichdi is ready and it is very tasty. So I think you should also prepare it in your home. So thank you.